Hello guys, what's going on? I'm Santosh Kumar and welcome to another Microsoft Bot integration tutorial video. So today we are talking about how can we integrate our MS bot within MS Team and how can we use that. So that sounds good. So stay with me throughout the whole video for better understanding. As we already know that how can we integrate our bot with the web application with the help of direct line and web chat, and how can we use that. So if you don't know about that, you can find my previous video. So let's get started. We have two options to use our MS bot within MS Team. The first option is you can use your bot individually, and second option is you can install, publish, and upload your bot within MS Team and distribute between your colleagues and friends. So the lot of many user can use your bot same time. So today we will perform the both way, the first one individually, a second one to install. So I just let you know the option. You can also refer documents, Microsoft document. There are a lot of document available regarding this step. So you can also refer that document for better understanding, like you can install your bot and how can you use your bot within MS Team. You can also refer. I'll just put all link in video description. You can find from there. So let's get started. First I just let you tell you that how can you use your bot individually in MS Team. So you just need to go in your Azure portal, find your bot, CSC demo bot. This is my bot. Click on that and find option channels. Click on channels. Here you will find Microsoft Team option under the add a features channel. Actually you can see Microsoft Team and status is running. It's showing because I have already done that, but whenever you do the first time, you will find the MS Team icons here under the add features channel. You need to click on that and you will see the next video like that. Just need to click on save button and go back to the channels option, and you need to find one option, get bot embedded code. Click on that. Now you can see anchor tag. It's containing one HTTP URL. So you need to select HTTP URL, start from HTTP and ended with Microsoft bot ID. You can see the selected things. Just select and copy. Go to your browsers, paste and enter. There are two options. You can download MS Team and install, use as Windows app, and second option is you can use directly in browser. So I'm choosing use the web app instead. Click on that. Here we go. You can see the bot name, CSC demo bot, and in Azure portal you can also see the bot name, CSC demo bot. Now you can see bot is responding some information, some welcome messages and buttons. So for better understanding, I'm showing the same conversation in test in web chat. You can see welcome messages and some option with the buttons. So you can see the bot is responding, the MS bot responding in MS Team. So like that you can use your bot individually uh, in MS Team. Now second option is how can you upload and how can you install your bot in MS Team and distribute it between your friends. So let's perform the second option. For the second option, you need to perform some action. So you need to have your bot information like bot id, short description, long description, developer information, and something like that. So we have two options to perform this. First option, you can use app studio within MS Team. If you use app studio, then you need to put all information like bot id, bot information manually, step by step. And you can also you have also one option, you can create manually a package. You can create a package manually and upload that package in MS Team and install your bot and use that. So if you use the second option, create a manually package, so you need to have three things. First one is you need to have a manifest.json file. That JSON file will include your all bot information like bot name, bot ID, short description, long description, and developer information like that. And the second is you need to have one icons for your bot. The size should be 192 width and 192 height. And third one is you need to have one outline transparent image. The size should be 32 height and 32 width. This is very necessary, otherwise your bot will not upload on MS Team. So I'll tell you the two option with the help of App Studio and how can you create a package manually. So first I just let you how can you use your App Studio for create manifest.json. So go back to your MS Team. Click on apps and search App Studio. You can see App Studio. Click on that. Click on open. You can see the option manifest editors and validation. If you have already packages and if you need to find that your package is good valid or not, so you can click on validation and upload your packages and find the your packages is working or not. So first I'm just let you know how can you write manifest.json. So now you can see there are two options, create a new app, and second option is import an existing app. So if you choose second option, import an existing app, means you have already a package with ms manifest.json icon and outline. And if you don't have, you want to create a step by step, then you need to click on create a new app. Click on create a new app. So you can see it's asking some information like app name, short name, full name, app id, description, short description, long, developers information, and partner information. This is optional, you can skip these things. And now you can see the icons, the size should be 192 width and height, and one outline image, the size should be 32. So you need to put all information correctly and click on test and distributed, click on install, then your bot will install and you can use that. But personally I prefer to write manually manifest.json. So right now I'm going to show you how can you write JSON manually. How can you write a JSON file manually and upload your package in MS Team. So let me show you how can you write a package. So you can see the three things, one icons, and second manifest.json, and third one is outline image. So you can see the size of icons 192 height, 192 width, and outline image 132 height and 32 width. And the main things the manifest.json. So I'm doing manually, so I'm just let me show how can you write this JSON manually. So you can see this is the JSON file. You need to put your bot name, developer information, icons, name, then description, then bot ID. You will find bot ID in your bot. Click on configuration, click on advanced edit, and here is bot ID. Copy, go to editor, and okay, this is the JSON manifest.json file. Save that JSON, go back. Okay, I just replace the bot ID. Now next step is you need to make a zip file within with all three things. Just select all three. Okay, just one thing, don't you don't need to put the three things in a single folder and make zip of that folder. Please don't do that. Your bot will be not uploaded. You just need select all three and click create a zip file. Okay, now it's a zip file. Now next step, you need to go back to your MS Team, click on apps. First you need to check your JSON is correct or not. So go back to your App Studio, click on validation, choose upload manifest package, click. Now just it's processing. Okay, you can see that test passes, means my JSON file is correct. Now you can upload your JSON packages. So for that you can go back apps and find the option upload a custom app. Click on that, upload a custom app, choose that package, open. Now it's uploading. It's not showing icon because still it is uploading. Just wait some time. Okay, now click on that. Okay, now you can see the bot name and icon. That the thing, icons and bot name. Click on add. Now you can see bot is responding the same message and same option. So you can see your bot is uploaded. For verification you can go back apps, click on third three dots. Now you can see the bot is installed in your MS Team. Now you can just click on the bot name and start chatting with your bot. So I hope you guys understood all these things, and you can definitely can perform these things also. So if you have any doubt you can put your comment in comment box and definitely I'll solve your issue. So once again, thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel for new videos. Thanks for watching.